Do you have any special events that are coming up, things that people should pay attention to and maybe put on their schedule now?
Oh, I hope they will. We have our annual fundraiser March 14th. It's called Bite, B-Y-T-E. Bite 24. It is a night of cuisine, cocktails, and computers.
Okay.
And we would love to invite more and more people. We sold out last year. It was only our second one. This is only our third because we're not quite 5 years old yet. That's a huge event coming up that we would love to have you there.
And so now sorry to interrupt. That's a Thursday. So I assume it's in the evening?
Yes.
And what time is it?
It's going to be from 6:30 to 10.
Okay.
We have a lot of area restaurants who do bites. It's a lot of fun, and it's also great if you want to buy a table to invite clients, invite family and friends. So that's a terrific. We've got a great band. It's a Steely Dan cover band.
Ooh.
Oh, they're awesome.
Ooh.
They're going to be so good. And so that's going to be a lot of fun. And we are actively selling tickets and sponsorships now to that.
And I would assume that you can buy tickets on the website. And how
sure
would somebody get sponsorship information? Like if I wanted to buy a table, how does that work?
If you go to the homepage, scroll down just a little bit, you'll see a cube that says Bite, B-Y-T-E on it. You touch that, and it will give you all the information you need, and you can go purchase your tickets. But in addition to that, summer camps. We are about to launch about 25 summer camps, roughly ages 8 to 14. Battle Robots is one that sells out every year. This year, I think we're adding something called Junior Adventures with AI. And then one of the big ones is make and take home your own gaming computer. So
Whoa.
That one is really, really cool.
And now, how long do the camps last? Do they go for a number of days, or are they just a one-day deal, a few hours?
They're 5 days.
5 days.
Some are all day, but most are half days. But a lot of kids will just sign up for the morning and the afternoon, and they just stay all day with us.
And these types of camps, when do they start? Do they start after school is out and run through the
yes,
summer? Okay.
Yes, I'm trying to remember. I think it's the week after Memorial Day week. So they run about 7 weeks. We're off on July 4th that week, and then it just goes through July. We started a new program last year called Talking Tech at CMOA.
Okay.
This is a great, pretty much monthly, but it's really for many audiences. We have people who come in and talk about vintage computers. Someone came in and talked about the Amiga. Oh, that brought in a lot of people. But then we want to bring in people to talk about current subject matter. We've had some NASA ambassadors who come in and spoken. We do 2 book clubs. So I'm a huge fan of fiction, novels. So we did the book Tomorrow. And we may be doing Jurassic Park this spring. Just a time to talk about technology in whatever format I can meet you at, whether it's current, old, fiction. It's in all of our lives. So those are some of the things we're doing. We have a kids story time called Tech Tales. So the list goes on and on, but there's a lot to do.
I love that. I just had no idea that there was so much going on right in my backyard. If you want to find more information, again, it is computermuseumofamerica.org.